Are you looking for a home that's 4 to 5 bedrooms, but you're having a hard time finding something in your price range? If that's you, I've got some good news today because there is a quick move-in special on this new build home out at Radiance. It's 4 bedroom plus a den, and what's cool about the den, it's a good size, and it has a window, and it has a closet, which means all you have to do is just add a door, maybe one of those cool barn doors to it, and voila, it could be a 5th bedroom. Or perhaps you're needing a 4 bedroom, and you want that den to be your home office, then this might be a good fit for you. Now, this home is offered at a great price. It's on a quick move-in financing special with low interest rates and even a no money down option if that's something that you're interested in. This home, for that price, already has the upgraded flooring, the beautiful granite countertops, the white cabinets, the stainless steel appliances, and the window blinds are also included in this. The floor plan is called the Saguaro, and it's out at Radiance, which is a new master plan community right on the edge of East Mesa. Let's take a look at the model, and then I'm going to share some information about this community. The amenities here are spectacular, and the views of the Superstition Mountains, those are pretty great too. Okay, so what did you think of the floor plan? Some of my favorite things are the floors. I love the floors. I also like the white cabinets. Everything is white and bright and light. I absolutely love the size of the master bedroom closet. That is a fantastic closet. And the backyard size is very generous too. Now remember, this is a new construction home. The backyard is your blank canvas to be creative about what kind of backyard fits your lifestyle and your family's needs. Let's take a look at some of these amenities that Radiance has to offer, because personally I think they're mind-blowing. Wow, I love the pool and the splash pad for the kids if you have kids. My kids are personally obsessed with splash pad. So let's take a look at what the Radiance community has to offer. Radiance features an impressive 11,000 square foot clubhouse designed for relaxation and community gatherings, with an inviting lounge area and a private reservable room for events. The massive resort-style pool is truly spectacular, offering a beach entry pool as well as designated lap lanes, a shallow zone for kids, and plenty of cabanas, umbrellas, tables, and lounge chairs for ultimate comfort. Additional amenities at Radiance include a splash pad, an extra-large fitness center with locker rooms and water refill stations, barbecues, fire pits, cornhole, bocce ball, and basketball courts, multiple playgrounds and play structures throughout the community, 13 pocket parks with walking and biking trails woven throughout the community, and soon to come, a scenic lake. All of this is available at Radiance for HOA fees as low as $90 a month, with a slightly higher fee of $158 a month for homes within the gated portion of the community. If you have kids or love to entertain, Radiance just might be your best bet. If this looks like something that you're interested in, I would love the opportunity to meet you out there and show it to you in person. Now remember, DR Horton is going to take care of the buyer agent commission, so it's not something that you're going to have to worry about. It is a good idea for you to have your own representation. If that could be me, I would love that. Give me a call at 480-789-0794. I'd love the opportunity to help you find the perfect home for you and your family.